Yes, Happy New Year to all I know. And for my non-Patois speaking subscribers, Happy New Year. Yeah man, so this is my first video for 2013. This year going to be a good year, so respect on all them things there. And for my non-Patois speaking subscribers, have a good year. This video is about women. No women, I love them like ackee and saltfish. Sometimes you can do some things where really annoying. Now ladies, when a man pause when you ask him how you look in a dress, it don't necessarily mean something wrong with the dress.
Baby, how my dress look?
Oh. Yeah, man, you're ready. You look good, you look good.
What's wrong with my
nice.
dress?
Yeah.
Just tell me what's wrong with my dress now. Just man up now. Man up and grow some balls and just tell me the truth. What's wrong with you? All you men are just dogs.
No,
I can't stand it now.
I never... What? How would you feel if we kind of reacted like this?
Honey, does this look good?
Yeah, you're ready. What she look like though? We have to take some time to look at the outfit, to assess it, to make sure everything right and everything in the right place, don't it? Don't assume that the pause we take means that the dress look wrong, man. You understand? Yeah. The next thing now, PMS. What name again? The premenstrual syndrome, a time of the month when every man want to run away and go to Zimbabwe for a week. Cause I'm not even going to bother explain this situation, cause every man out there can relate.
Baby, I have a headache. I don't feel good.
You don't feel good? You don't feel good.
Oh, I have a headache. You have a headache, you say? You have a headache? Well, try breathing out your vagina for 7 days and try feeling like someone's repeatedly kicking you in the vagina all 7 days. Tell me how it feels.
No, I remember saying to a girl one time, you know, you ladies really don't know what you put us guys through sometimes with the stuff you do.
We don't know what we put you guys through? You guys don't know what you put us women through all the goddamn time. You don't understand nothing. You don't understand nothing. So don't you get me started on none of that. You understand me?
Ladies, I understand it can be hard. Bleeding for 7 days, your belly at you, everything else hurting, you feel miserable. And you take it out on us men. It's not fair sometimes. Sometimes we just want a hug. Sometimes we just want to look after you. But it hurts when you react that way towards us. You know what I mean? Make us feel bad. Stop it, please. Don't do it. Stop it. Sure. No, I'm not even going to make up an excuse for this one here. Because brothers, you know, sometimes when they get to you, it's like, you know what, you just say any little thing to agree just to get the hell out of the house, don't it? Because them have to choose this outfit that goes with that earring, and that earring have to match this toenail, and that toenail have to match this jeans or skirt. And it's just frustrating sometimes, you understand? So sometimes we just say, you know what, yeah, that look good, just wear that. But if it did look like a fool, we wouldn't go with you anyway. So obviously the thing that we pick ain't too bad, is it? Baby, what do you think if I wore my grey top or my brown top? Which one you recommend to go with the rest of my outfit? I think you should wear the grey one, you know. Wear the grey one. That would go nice with that outfit still, honey. You sure the grey one? Okay, I'm going to put it on. Yeah. No, I don't like it. I don't like it anymore. No, I don't want people to think I shop in a charity shop, honey. No, I'm not wearing this one. No, man, it will look good. What do you mean, jerk? You know what? I should have worn the other one. I don't like this. I should have worn my grey top. You want to go back inside and change into your other one? Your grey? No, it's okay, honey. I don't want to go back inside and change. It's too long. I can't be bothered to go back inside now. So just please, make up on your mind sometime. You ask for opinion on something, and then when we give you our opinion, you go with the thing that you thought you wanted in the first place. What's the point? What is the point? The last thing, possibly one of the most annoying things that you women do, playing hard to get. Now, you like a guy, and you know so the man have a little feeling for you as well. You play your game, yeah, you make him work hard to get you on whatever, and them try hard, and you slap us well like fly pan food.
Hey Jackie, how are you?
Excuse me, little boy. Who you think you're talking to? Do I look like I have I like you written on my forehead? No, I don't. Last time I checked, I never asked you to talk to me. Move yourself. Don't talk to me. No. Oh my God, girl, guess who just spoke to me? Yes, he just talked to me. Oh my God, he looks so fine.
I just want you to know this is not a video poking fun at you know. This is not a video cussing you know. You understand? This is just a video to make you know aware of the type of annoying things you know do. You understand? And I know us guys can't be all that easy to get along with, you know what I mean? But still, I know man flu. Yeah, man flu is tough, you know. You women don't understand man flu. Just like how you claim we don't understand periods. You girls don't understand a man flu, man. It bad. It terribles. Okay? Yeah. So thank you for watching the video. So please feel free to drop some comments below or make a video response about things that guys do to annoy you women. And yeah, it's all good. Remember, say, I love you. And for my non-patois speaking subscribers, I love you all. Take care. Keep on doing what you're doing. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to put a clip of this next video at the end somewhere. Thank you now again. Respect. Tuning out. Boom. So me do it to the O to the N to the T. Don't want no blow dog STD. But me take a chance with a girl named Kimberly. Take her in the bush and she give me syphilis. And you know, say me never really told like that. So me drape up the girl and give her toe bed slap. Like, toe bed slap. Yeah, sure.